Hello YouTube, this is a Dell 1737 Dell Studio laptop, LCD cover with a broken hinge. This is a common problem. They are pretty cheap quality, so I did not have time and I didn't want to waste another like $40–50 for the new LCD cover with the hinges, so I decided to fix the old one. So the problem is that the hinge mounts to the plastic cover and this plastic cracks. So I decided to bolt it so it looks like that. I drilled through the cover and just use 2 bolts and nut, and this works pretty fine. At least I will be able to open and close the laptop, and I'm gonna show it to you later. Right now I put everything together and it looks okay. It looks fine to me. Aesthetically it's not, of course, it's not beautiful, but it works. The laptop is together. It's not falling apart like it used to be before. The cover opens and closes quite fine. I used some scotch as well to tape it right here because it was not intact. Right now I finally assembled the whole laptop and it's together. The cover closes and opens freely like it should. Aesthetically it's not perfect, but this way works. It costs you zero money. It took me like 1 hour to fix all that. Thank you for watching.